Hi everyone, welcome to VLSI Explore with Raman. Today, let's discuss one interesting system Verilog question. I am declaring the model TB initial begin. Okay, I am taking one for loop. The range is 0 to 3, less than 3, I plus plus. Inside the for loop, I am using the fork gen and inside the fork gen, I am using the one display which is dollar display. The value of the I is percentage. Okay, this is the code. What is the expected output for this one? Let's run the code. See, the value of I is 3. Okay, it is printing 3 times. The value of I is printing 3 times. Why it printing 3 times 3 value here? Let's understand the code properly. Here, see, for loop. For loop will start with I equal to 0. Then it is entering this fork journal. This dollar display, which has it is child thread. Okay, but fork journal, what is that? It will first it has to complete the parent thread. This is the parent thread. Now for loop is the parent thread. It need to complete. Then it will complete the child thread. Okay, let's start with iteration 0. Iteration 0. Okay, I equal to 0. Then this fork journal is entered. But this which it is started, this dollar display is started. Okay, but it is not completed. It is waiting for the parent thread need to be complete. Then again for loop increment to 1. Then again dollar display is waiting for the parent thread need to be complete. Again the for loop increment to value 2, but dollar display is waiting for loop need to be complete. See, when this for loop will exit I equal to 3, at the time this for loop will exit. Whenever I equal to 3, at the time this all the process already all the process started in the background. Okay, but when it will complete, this parent thread need to be complete. This parent thread is complete when I equal to 3. Okay, see, whenever the I equal to 3, this parent thread is completed. Correct? That's why all the three processes started at 0, 1, 2. But the value is updated only, this parent thread only complete whenever I equal to 3. At that time only this parent thread will complete. That's why this process is started background, but it will complete. It is waiting for the parent thread need to be complete. That's why all the values, all the iterations, it is taking the value 3. Correct? Let's change the something. I will make changes here. Let's run the code. I may this have declared one delay here. 1. Let's see the output. See here, when there is some delay. Okay, after the for loop there is some one delay. What is the output I'm getting? 1, 2, 3. I value is 1, 2, 3. Why the values are 1, 2, 3 here? Let's analyze the code. Let's start with iteration 0. I equal to 0, begin, it is started. Yes, 1. But this one, this dollar display is waiting for the parent thread need to be, it need to move to next cycle, which has next timing value. Next timing value, when it will move, whenever the I increment to 1. Correct? It is some delay. This delay need to be, it move to next period time slot. Next period time slot. Then when it will move next period time slot, whenever the I equal to 1, at the time the next period time slot will came. Na? At the time the value of the I equal to 1. Correct? Let's see here. Whenever I equal to 0, it is entered begin. Okay, but this is fork gen. It is waiting for the parent thread need to be complete. Then parent thread need to be complete when it move to next period time slot here. Next period time slot means it need to move to 1 here. Correct? Whenever the 1 will updated, then the value of the I is 1. Correct? Yes, one time. At the time the value of the 1 is here, it is 1. The value of the I is 1. Okay. Similar to, let's change. I will use some automatic keyword. Automatic int A. Okay, I am declaring automatic int A. I am assigning to I here. Let display A. Instead of the I, let display A. See, the values 0, 1, 2 printing. Why here the value 0, 1, 2 printing? Because of this automatic keyword. I am assigning the values. Here, whenever this process is started, which process? This $display process is started, but it is not completed. When it will complete? After the completing this parent thread, this for loop need to be complete. First, let's start with iteration 0. Okay, iteration 0 started. Okay, then the value is assigned to int A. Automatic means it will have different memory. It has whenever it has static means it has same memory, but automatic it had a different memory. When you allocating the values means it will allocate a different memory. Correct? Whenever I equal to 0, it is assigned to one memory. Now this process is started, which is $display. It is this process is started, but this process is not completed. When it will complete? After completing the for loop, the value of the A is, it is at different location. Value of the A is 0. Correct? After second iteration, I equal to 1 started. I equal to 1, I is assigned to A. What is the A value? 1. But this function 9, the child thread is waiting for the parent thread need to be complete. That's why it's not printed. It will print after the completing this parent thread. This is one interview question. If you like the content, please share and subscribe.